Nicole. It's your girl Divana Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I am back with our brown sugar box. This is for the month of February. This box is late again. So this is the second late box. I know they've been having some issues with getting items in through customs and whatnot. So the box is late. I just got it today. So we're going to get right into unboxing what came in this month's box. Again, the beautiful artwork. They do such a great job with the artwork on the front of these boxes. Love it. If you are not familiar with this box, this is a Black Lifestyle box. This box ships every month, and it costs $39.95 plus $8.95 shipping and handling. So in this box, you always are going to get a t-shirt, and they have a theme for the month. So every month there's a different theme, and basically they kind of give you products that match the theme. So you can get a variety of things based on whatever they put in here. So this is one of my favorite boxes. It's a fun box for me to get. So yeah, let's get into this thing and see what we got this month. So guys, so our little magazine is in here with our lady on the front of the box. And inside we get what's inside the box. On the back they have like the playlist and the beauties of the month. This month the box is called, the theme for the box is Letters to My Soul. The value of the items in our box total should be $113. The lady we have on the front, this little beautiful lady, her name is Amara. So we have the spirit of Amara. Amara is a poet of self-love. So that gives us a little clue about our theme and everything. Amara, a woman who radiates grace, poise, strength, reminds us of the beauty and nurturing the most important relationship of all, the one we have with ourselves. So I think that's nice. So again, the theme for this month is Letters to Our Soul edition. And I already spot something that's wrong on our magazine here. I don't know if you guys can see, but the language says that we were supposed to get a canteen. Now the canteen we got last month, so clearly that's wrong. So what else is in here, I'm not sure. I think they had to make up for giving us like an extra item or something, because one of the items didn't ship and they sent the boxes out just with an extra item to make up for it. So we'll see what that extra item is, but let's get started. So the first thing I'm pulling out here, I have a exfoliating glove. I've never seen them do this. It feels very thin. Let me see what this looks like outside of the packaging here. Hold on. It's very thin. So this is valued, they said, at $14. It feels very thin. Oh yes, this. Okay, now y'all know me and the prices and the value. So I think this is nice, but it's very, very thin. I don't know how much exfoliating you're going, like, I don't feel like this would last. That's the best way to say it. For $14, this is supposed to be a glow and exfoliate viscose body scrub glove. So this is supposed to be a part of the self-care. You start with shedding the old and stepping into the new. So this exfoliating glove deeply cleanses and refreshes your skin, leaving you feeling renewed, radiant, and glowing from head to toe. Again, $14. This feels very, 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 very cheap. I don't think this will make it. If it made it more than one wash, I would really be surprised. Like, I could be wrong. Maybe it's made out of a strong fiber, but it doesn't give $14 value exfoliating glove. It gives, like, I picked this up from the beauty supply store, and I don't like to say that. I really don't like to say that, but this does not feel very much like a $14 value to me. So let's go to the next item. So the next item we have here, oh, look at this. We have some note cards. So they're 4x6 note cards with envelopes. So what does they say about that? So this is valued at $22, and it says, sealed with love, the self-love stationery in a drawer box is valued at $22. And it says, your crown, your rules, whether you're protecting your stresses or elevating. Well, that doesn't seem to make any sense for that. that doesn't, yeah, that doesn't add. Okay, so there's some definite issues with the magazine and what we have, because the box is correct, but the verbiage underneath is not. It does not apply. It's like the verbiage is all mixed up, if that makes any sense to you guys. Like, so they got the title of the cards, but then it's talking about protecting your crown like you're talking about the next item. So I don't know what happened. Somebody messed up with this month with printing out the magazine, but this is not quite right. So I'm just letting you guys know. But yeah, let's get into our cards. It comes in a little drawer box here. Oh, I love the prints. The prints are beautiful. Look at this. That is nice. These are nice prints on here. I like this. And they are all blank, so you could put whatever you want inside here. I think this is nice if you're giving a thank you to somebody. You just want to have a few words of your own. This is so, these are beautiful. Okay, y'all might be on it with the $22 value. I like these. These are really nice. And then, like you see, it's like the embossed kind of card, so they don't feel cheap or anything. These are really nice. I like these. Very nice. And every single thing in here is like all of the different prints. They're all different. They're not like you're picking the same one back up. They're so unique and different. Love this. This is awesome. I like that. That is so nice. So again, this is valued at $22 for the box of cards, and you get, does it say how many come in here? You get 25 of these cards, these note cards with envelopes, and I think that's great. Let me see what the envelope look like. We've seen the cards. Let's see. Hey, look at this. This is just nice. These are pretty. I love, like I said, Izzy and Liv does a fabulous job with the artworks. I have to give that to them. They do a phenomenal job. I'm trying to see if like their fancy looking envelopes is what I was trying to find out for you guys. No, they're just plain looking envelopes. This is the envelopes, guys. So just plain envelopes, but the cards are beautiful. They are beautiful. I really like this. This is nice. Very nice. Very nice. This, I would say, okay, $22. I'll get what you on this. The artwork is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I like this. What a great way as a thank you note, or even to leave like a little thank you or a little loving note to your kids and stuff. That is so, I love this. This is nice. All right, so let's go to the next thing. The next thing in our box here, we got a turban. All right. I mean, I got black, probably the most appropriate color for me. I always feel like my head be too big with these turbans. Look at this one. This is like, all right, where's the back? Is this the back? Or is, I think this is, okay, this is how it look. It look like one of the, I don't know. I just be thinking like the little old ladies wearing the little thing like this. Okay, so the verbiage I was reading for the cards actually goes to this one. And then I'm noticing that there is no literature that goes with the actual turban. So yes, things have gotten completely mixed up on this paper that they gave us for this month. So this is what the turban looks like. I feel like I should be reading tarot cards with this one. Let me tell you your future. I'm just laughing because this is funny. Okay, so problem number one. The sequin is falling off. It's all over my desk actually. So I don't know what the value is. It's just steady dropping as a matter of fact. So the value of this, I don't know what it is. I'm just saying I don't think it's made very well because I got sequin everywhere once I opened the package. And again, like I said, for me, this just seems like I'm about to read somebody their future. You know, this would be great if you're going to like one of those like a party with a theme, like a Renaissance theme or something. This probably would work, but I don't know if I would be wearing this in the house because, you know, I got big head. So I don't know. I guess it's better than me walking around looking like Silly from The Color Purple when I take my braids out and I got plaits everywhere. It's probably better than that, for sure. For sure. But yes, I feel like I should be reading your tarot or reading your future and the magic ball and like giving you like your future, which is funny to me. Alright, there's no price because for some reason, like I said, the magazine here, the literature is just all mixed together. Things are not where they're supposed to be, so it's not quite right. So I don't even know what this is valued at. So we'll carry on. Let's go to the next thing in my box. And the next thing, this is not in the material at all, so I don't know what this is. This may be the extra item to make up for the one that did not come timely. So that's what I'm thinking. Oh, look, I got tights, guys. Look. I like it. It says love, melanin, peace, love, melanin is kind of written graphically on here. These are cute. This is cute. I feel like this is springy time. So I like this. I like the tights. That works for me. So for me, I got large. It'll match the shirt. Yeah. So these are our tights that we picked up. Okay. I like the tights. And then we're down to the last item in our box, which is our monthly shirt. So let's see what we got here. So guys, I always get my tees in a large. So when you sign up for the box, they get your size. So generally when they send you stuff, even if they send you, like, we've gotten pajamas, we've gotten all kind of stuff, regular pants, regular shirts, you'll get the same size every month. So this is my shirt of the month. We got a long sleeve one, which I like getting the long sleeve ones. And oh, that's pretty. I like the artwork on this. This is nice. And it's a nice lightweight shirt. It feels really like decent material. I like the material. It feels kind of lightweight. It doesn't feel too heavy. And this was valued at $35. So your soul shines and now your wardrobe can too. This bold artistic long sleeve tee embodies the depth, beauty, and the resilience of your spirit. Whether you're lounging, layering, or styling with your favorite pieces, this shirt is a reminder that your soul is a source of your power. So I do like this. I guess you could put this with this. Might be a bit loud. The bottom part will be loud, but that's fine for in the house. But I like the tee. I feel like this is a nice quality tee. This feels like a nice quality tee. But again, it's a lightweight material. This is what the end of it looks like with the end of the shirt. But yeah, so in review, we have our tee for the month. We have some tights. The tights are not on our pamphlet, so this is probably a replacement item for something that did not come. I'm not sure if everybody got the same replacement item, so if you guys got something different, you let me know. We got my turban where I'm going to tell you guys the future, and we got our cards. I really like this. This is really nice. This is like a good way you can send little thoughtful notes to family members, your kids, thank yous for somebody helping you with something. I really like that. And then we have our exfoliating glove that they said is valued at $14, which I dispute. This feels very flimsy. It does not feel $14-ish to me. For the thing, what did you guys think? I think we kind of all over the place with the thing. What do you I mean, it looks like we were supposed to get a journal. So that it looks like the missing item that we did not get. And that was supposed to be valued at $12. So we didn't get that. We didn't get a price on the turbans because for some reason they got the stuff mixed up on here. So I don't know what happened. Somebody made a mistake or something, but yeah, we don't have a price for that. The whole box is supposed to be $113. Maybe not. Maybe not the whole value of that. Because like I said, this to me feels very cheap. It doesn't feel like a exfoliating glove that I feel like I could have got something better in TJ Maxx you know what I mean, or like Marshalls. So I'm just saying, I like the idea, the execution of this. Like if it was thicker, or you know, if it was thicker, I think I would have thought maybe the value could have been there. But for me, this feels very, very, very thin and cheap. So that's a no. And then I don't know how much the turban cost. I don't know if I will be using this at all. I'll see if my mom wants it. But again, it's a lot of sequins falling off of here when you go to pick it up. So I don't know if any of you other guys that picked up the box had this problem, but I did. Some people like turbans. I like turbans. I'd have liked it if it was just plain without probably all of the sparkle. But you know, I think that's a good way to dress stuff up. Especially if you're running out. Maybe this will be just the bling that you have for that day. It's the sparkles on your turban. So I get it. I'm just not a turban person, so that just is not my big thing. So that's all I'm saying. And then the cards, I did like the cards, and I do like the shirt, and I love the tights. So I think these two are my favorite. Though these two things out of the box are my favorites for sure. So that is my box, and basically that's it. That's the box. You guys, if you did pick this up, I would love to hear what you guys thought about this box. I think we kind of were all over the place with the theme, though. I don't think the theme actually made the mark this month. I thought it was kind of everywhere. But that's just my opinion. You guys let me know what you think about the box and what came in it this month. But yeah, hit me up in the comments. Love chatting with you. Love hearing if you got the same thing as I did or got different colors. So go ahead and hit me up in the comments. And guys, that is it for today's video. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and it'll let you know when I next post. But until my next one, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!